So today we will be solving one question from the LeetCode. So it will given one linked list and we need to find a middle and we need to delete that middle node. Okay, so here basically you can see one linked list is given 1 3 4 7 1 2 6. Okay, so from here 7 is the middle. Okay, so we need to remove this 7 and we need to connect this 4 to 1. Okay, so similarly in this question 1 2 3 4, so middle is in between 2 to 3. Okay, so 3 we will consider. Okay, so we'll remove this 3 and we'll connect 2 to 4. Okay, so let's understand how we can solve this question. So the question, let's say the question is given 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so from this linked list, this node is the middle, right? So we need to remove. Okay, so the output should be 1 2 4 and 5. So this one will point to 4th node. Okay, so 1 2 and 4. So the approach, so I'll be discussing two approach. So both are the time complexity wise both are same, but the approach little bit different. Okay, so the approach one will be, so what I'll do, the first step I'll find the size. Okay, next step I'll find mid I mean the size divided by 2, or math dot save size divided by 2, mid index. Okay, now in the third step I'll traverse the linked list, and if mid equals to index, then I'll remove the node and we'll connect to next node. Okay, so in this approach the time complexity will be big of n, space complexity will be big of 1. Okay, but if you see here we are using two separate loops. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, two separate loops we are using, but we'll try to use only one loop. So with one pass we'll try to solve this question. So approach 2. So in this, so okay, question is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so what I'll do, so initially this is our head. Okay, so I'll use slow and fast pointer concept. So initially slow and fast pointer will be pointing to here. Okay, now slow and fast pointer will be pointing to here, and I need to have one previous node. Okay, so initially it will be null. Okay, so slow pointer will move one step and fast pointer will move 2 steps. Okay, so initially I am at the head. Okay, so in the first iteration slow will come to here. Okay, slow will come to here, fast will come to here. Okay, and previous will assign to this one, head means this pointer, I mean the slow pointer. Okay, now in the next step this one slow will come to here and fast will come to here. Okay, and here we'll have next is null, so it fast will not come to here, and previous will be this one, previous is this one. Okay, so now we found the middle one. Okay, because fast will not come to here because here it is null, so we found the middle element and we have the previous element. Okay, so what we'll do, so this will point to here. Okay, so what I mean, p dot next, I can write p dot next dot next, or I can write p dot next equals to slow dot next. Okay, so this approach will take the time complexity of big O and space complexity will take big O of 1. Okay, but with the one loop we are solving this question. Okay, let's code this one. So first of all, I need to check whether this head is null or not null. So if it is head is null, or or head dot next is null, then I'll return null. Okay, now if then I'll take two pointers like list node slow, which will point to head initially, list node first, which will point to head initially, then list node previous, which will initially null. Okay, then I'll take the while. Okay, so here if first is not equals to null and first dot next is not equals to null, then what I'll do, so I'll assign this previous pointer to slow pointer. Okay, initially, then slow will move for one step, and fast will move for two steps. Fast dot next. Okay, now what I'll do, so 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 this is done, right? So I got the middle point and I have the previous point. So what I need to do, I need to uh, assign this previous pointer to slower next pointer. Okay, so previous dot next equals to slow dot next, or previous dot next, anything is fine. Then I'll return head. Okay, submit it. Okay, so hope you understood this approach, and thank you for watching this video.